Want this quality? Hello, Sparkles. I'm Estella and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to make your video in 4K. First, search of YouTube Twixter clips of your idol. Like Capcut Twixter clips, they are all in better quality. Take few clips and add them according to beat. Now click on first clip, then click on adjust now. You have to adjust brightness, contrast, saturation, brilliance, sharpness, and highlights. Just try to make it look fine. Increase all of them a little according to your clip's lighting. Don't make them look too over, it just have to look fine. I know you'll learn it, you have to try. You can make sharpen full if your clip need it, otherwise make it 60 for the next clip. You again have to adjust it separately because next clip has its own color and lighting. Now again click on your next clip and click on adjust and adjust it like it need to be. When you are done, export your video now. For next step, you have to download Wink app. Open the Wink app. Click on first option, image quality. Click on Ultra HD and add your video you just saved, and this app is free. Now it will automatically start loading. It will take some time, but the results are so good. Now you can compare it. Look, it made the video look more smooth and clean. Now save this video. Add the video you just saved in Capcut and make spilts when the clip ends. Now you can add whatever animation, transition, or effect you want. Edit your video and save it. I'll suggest you to not use Wink app after editing your video. Use it when you haven't edited your video like I showed you, because if you'll use it after editing your video, it will mess with the effect. Like if you add blur effect, it will mess it up. I hope you understand my point. Just do what I showed. Thanks for watching and stay safe. Love from Estella.